Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at another nice little Zippo. So this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and it's got a kind of a strange barcode label, but it says this is it's a custom lighter, SMO for smoking, and it's a limited edition, and it's very rare, and it's new. It's a genuine Zippo. It's got all the regular Zippo tags on it. So this is called the Smoking Mushroom. It's on a nice white matte background. And it looks like it was made in I of 18. Good stampings on this. That's September of 18. You can see it's a smoking mushroom face right there. There's one face, there's another face, there's another face. It's got a steel insert, lights up nice. This is one of their stranger Zippo designs. And this one should go good right next to the Woodstock for some reason. Let's do a drop test on this. Put out a target. Do a lit drop test on the Smoking Mushroom. So that one went out. Not smoky enough. Let's try it again. Okay, there's a successful lit drop test for the Smoking Mushroom. Now, one thing that's nice with this purchase, if you buy the Smoking Mushroom, you get a chance to buy a Tibetan Singing Bowls CD. Those are the singing bowls. You can also buy Ravi Shankar at his best. And who can resist the songs of the Humpback whale? It's one of my favorite. And they all deserve a little cowbell. Yeah, Ravi Shankar. Knuckle bomb.